Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I wanted to share a really short video. I have been doing these little flags that you can put on your journal. Just have made a whole bunch of them. And all I did was I have this sleeve, this folders or pocket sleeve, where I have a lot of little scraps and they're really small and very thin. And so what I've done is that I've cut them. So here I have a whole mess of them. I just kind of cut them to size. So if I have these right here, all I did was even them out and then cut them. I really wasn't being careful about the width, but I was just cutting them. See, they're all leftover scraps from die cuts. And I was just kind of cutting them to a manageable size. And then what I was doing was going back and just cutting one end into like a little flag. And so yesterday I was in a meeting, in a Zoom meeting, and I didn't have my camera on. So while I was paying attention, I was doing a whole mess of these. I've been doing this for the past 2 days that I've had some meetings. And I've accumulated a lot of them. So a lot of them I've already made, like I said. And so all I did was staple them. And depending on, I was trying to color coordinate and then stapling. And so there's a lot of them that I've done already. And so here I kind of arrange them and then I start figuring out what colors to combine. And so like, let's say I like this one. And so I'm not really looking at the design or the pattern of the paper. I'm just looking at what matches together. And so here's this one right here. They're all shades of brown. And then all I'm doing is stapling them. So when I decide to use them, I probably will sew them. And so an example, if I go get a journal. So this is not a journal. This is just, I made this to hold a whole bunch of stamp stuff. But pretending that we're going to use this on a journal, then I would go and hang it from the top right here. And I would either staple it again or sew it onto the paper. And of course you can put it any way you want right here. So another idea had been maybe is cutting them and maybe having the flag stick out. So I don't know. So I've just been kind of staying busy trying to use up all these scraps right here that I have. So this is just an idea. If you have a whole bunch of these thin pieces of paper or cardstock or pattern paper that you cannot cut anything, I mean, because I usually do die cuts and then I save all these pieces, but this is just one thing that I thought of really quickly while I was looking at my mess. And I thought, you know what, I can just cut them and make little flags. And so it's something that can be done really quickly. And you can also, what I've been doing is I've just been saving. So all of these would be the little flags that I've accumulated so far. And then also you can just, without putting them into little clusters, you can just kind of save them and then just use them later if you're doing other stuff with them. If you're doing little clusters or you just need little pieces of scrap paper to add to your journal, they'll be ready there. So yeah, this was just a very quick idea that I wanted to share so that you can use up all the scraps that you have, and I have so many, and I try to put them together by size. So these are all the very, very thin scraps that I have. And then I have another bag where I have bigger pieces, and those are the ones I try to use up when I'm doing die cuts. But that was it. Just wanted to share this really quick idea. And it cleans up pretty quick. They gather up together really quick. But that's it. Hope to do another video soon, but my lighting right now is really bad. My tripod that I've been using to hold my phone to record is also broken, so that's why I haven't really been doing too many videos, and also that I've just been kind of busy. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.